Biermann of 2020 Studio Fitness here in Albany, and he's showing me about slow motion, high intensity exercise, how we can use that as a great way to build strength. This next machine he's showing me is for the abs. And Rick, you were mentioning that this machine happens to be by a company called MedX, which really was designed to isolate the ab muscles, so it's particularly effective.
Right. That's very true. Yes, it isolates the abs. Your other muscles really will not assist in any way, so you're really just getting the pure essence of the abdominal workout. It's a very short range of motion. After I bring this pad over, I'll put my arms on, but it's just a slight crunching movement from the rib cage down. So I'm just going to crunch down. I don't bend my waist. I'm just going to crunch at the rib cage, and that will engage my abdominal muscles all the way, as you can see on the picture. You can see that from top to bottom.
A very small movement of the abdomen.
So I bring the pad over. I set my back of my arms on the pad, and I'm leaning all the way back and now nice and slow. Crunching down. I pause for a second and then back.
So the rule is basically 5 seconds down and 5 seconds back.
And pause and back.
And the rule that Rick has told us about is you want to have a weight that's heavy enough so you exert and use your muscles. You want to be able to do no more than 8 repetitions.
And between 8 and 12, right. And beginning about 8.
About 8.
And then, again, I want to get to a point where the weight is heavy enough that about 8 repetitions, I simply will not be able to hold that weight any longer.
That the muscles will be totally exhausted. And as you can notice, it's really good to have a trainer who can help you set these weights, particularly a trainer that works with slow motion, high intensity. So Rick has exhausted his muscles. He's going to move on to the next machine.